All right, let's get you that traffic update as promised. Rob Ben is on the line. Rob, it's a very good morning to you and happy payday.
Yeah, happy payday, of course. Yes, absolutely. I bet people are looking forward to that, getting it today before the direct debits go off, a little bit later. All right, the top story this morning is what's going on in Prospect and across parts of Durban. Before I get there, I just want to give you an update from Cape Town. We're still fielding a lot of requests about the N2 at Khayelitsha. It's been closed this time of morning on Monday and Tuesday. This morning, the N2 passing Khayelitsha is open. If you're coming into work in Cape Town, coming in from Somerset West or for flight connections at the airport, no problems. The road is open. All right, let's get you up to the interactive traffic screen. This is the top story as far as KZN is concerned. Taxi owners and drivers are taking a protest down to Toyota at Prospect, and now they're coming from all parts of KZN province, and they're on a go slow. So this is the scene coming up Tweeny Hill out of Amanzimtoti. You can just see it's a car park, but taxis are on a go slow at the moment through that Prospecton area. So very heavy, in fact, both ways between Amanzimtoti and Umlazi through that Prospecton and Isipingo area. And you can see Prospecton Road a little bit earlier this morning around the industrial part of Prospecton. That route is also blocked. So the highway's blocked, the alternative local road is blocked. It's very heavy. I just want to also show you that there's the scene, the live scenes, the red lines of traffic coming from Belito down to Tongat Plaza. There's a go slow there at Marion Hill Plaza. On the N3 into Durban, there's also a taxi go slow at the plaza. There must be about 100 taxis at Marion Hill, we think. And then there's an update of the Prospecton situation. You can see the N2, how bad and how dark those red lines are this morning. That is a very heavy traffic disruption. Just make sure you've got plenty of time to get through. If you've got an appointment in Prospecton today, might be a good idea to cancel and do it tomorrow. Other parts of the country, well, just staying in KZN. This is always important. The N3 closed for blasting today at 3 o'clock up at Hammersdale. So between Peacevale and Cato Ridge, the road will be closed from 3 until about 3:15. Make sure you don't get caught up in that. And if you're driving through the northwest, a very good morning to you out in Rustenburg. If your work trip takes you into the Rustenburg CBD, plenty of traffic restrictions and closures for the rapid bus service. So Walter Sisulu coming inbound is closed. Restrictions on Nelson Mandela Drive through central Rustenburg, and part of Thabo and Becky is closed. Peak morning and afternoon times in Rustenburg. It's going to be heavy until those works are completed. That's the latest with the Morning Live Traffic Report. I'm Rob Byrne. Phil has your weather.